Hello, I'm Mandy Hofford, Norwex Independent Sales Consultant, and I am back to talk about some other things that I travel with, never leave home without. I love, love, love the body cloths, and you can see here I have 3 of them. These are fresh back from Hawaii for my husband and my trip for 2 weeks. And we definitely used these very well that whole time. I like a body and I like a face cloth, and he likes at least one of the body cloths for his use. So can't go wrong having those. I always take a hair turban with me no matter what, because I can get ready so much faster if I can get out of the shower, comb my hair, throw it in the Norwex hair turban. Whether I'm leaving my hair curly like I do in the tropical climate of Hawaii or wherever, or blowing it dry, just is so much faster if I have that. We love to have a body balm because it is wonderful to have a salve, a balm, especially when there might be chafing or any kind of skin issues that happen because of just traveling. So we had 2 different rental cars and 4 different properties that we stayed in on the islands this time, and the full-size EnviroCloth and full-size window cloth were absolutely wonderful to have. Immediately getting into our rental cars, my hubby went to work on cleaning the windshield, and then I pulled out my travel EnviroCloth and started working on the inside. Lots of residue from the chemical wipes that they used, and lots of, which is, not great to breathe in and also touch. And then also the residues on the windshield and around the car made it so that the views were not as beautiful. So having those for the cars was super important. And then also for our place that we had on Kauai, we had a huge view of the ocean, well, huge windows and view of the ocean that was beautiful, but it was way more beautiful after my hubby grabbed these and cleaned the windows inside and out. Yes, they should have paid us to stay there. They didn't, but they should have, because we left it better than we found it, for sure. So, so important to have a full-size basic package. Here's a wet wipes bag. I like to have odds and ends in. This is just another one. I typically have a couple of these, if not more than a couple, for odds and ends and any wet body cloths that are going to be traveling with us, or EnviroCloths. In my glasses case, like after I take out my contacts, my glasses, prescription glasses, I have a Norwex lip balm and the optic cloth. The optic scarf would work great, but if my purse is in a different spot, these are wonderful to just have right in my glasses case. Grab and clean those as I put them on, whether it's on an airplane or in bed, getting ready for bed at night or whatever, in the morning. We always have these produce bags and use them for various things. This would be one that has our laundry in it. I'd have my own, and my hubby would have one for his, just because it's easy to just have it right in your bag. And the sports towel. The sports towel comes out of this little bag right here. We always have it with us so that any beach or anywhere we find ourselves, we can quickly dry off, even if we've left the beach towels back at our condo or whatever. It's just nice to have it in our backpack that's traveling around with us, or in our rental car, and just be able to grab it and use it wherever we find ourselves in need of a bigger towel. So the sports towel is super great. Those are my must-haves for travel. Comment below and we will chat about any questions you have or any ideas that you might have.